It's Karen. You're off and running here.
I am. I'm so excited.
Dr. Scott Goldsmith here. This is Karen. Just had a knee replacement. We did it the Jiffy way. How are you feeling right now?
I am so excited. I'm stoked. I can walk. I just had this done and I can walk and I feel super.
How much pain were you in before surgery? Like even just walking?
Everyday pain. I was almost in tears.
And so
It
already
would hit
you're
a certain way and I'd go, oh God, I gotta sit down. You know, everything. But now, here.
That's the knee we operated on?
Yes.
That's pretty impressive.
And I'm great.
Oh, that's so glad to hear. That's so glad to hear. Well,
You did great. That Jiffy thing, whatever it is, I love it.
It's a muscle sparing technique. So I didn't cut your tendon or your muscle. We just moved it out of the way. And we're seeing patients like you have great recovery. So we wish you lots of great luck in your continued rehab.
I'm so excited. Thank you so much,
Good for
Doctor.
you.
I am elated.